Hello boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle, a binary puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on a Wednesday. Yes, almost end of the month, Wednesday, July the 27th, 2022. In this additional we have 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only 4 of them I will solve. And I've already solved the 3 stars, the 4 stars, and 2 puzzles are left, the tectonic and the binary. But it's now binary time. Yes, binary time. And what kind of binary puzzle is this? Let me count. Wait. Before I start, this puzzle will be number 4920. 4920. Yes, 4920. Yes. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Well, let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 1s and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1. Here no, there no. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, then we have 4 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be 1. This should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. And I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, and the fourth one. So this box should be an O. Yeah. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. And then, between 2 1s comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 1s comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Then. Let me see. Two. Come on. I think we need to compare. But which row can I compare? Which column can I compare? Well, this column and that column. 1 1 1 1 0 empty box, O 1 1 0. So these 2 boxes we need to switch. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. 4 1s, no, 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Then 3 1s we have here. If I place number 4 here, in the last column, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1, this should be an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Need to compare again. Well, yeah, seems that I need to compare again. The rows or 0101. No, it's not the same. Not the same. So we need to compare the columns. Double 1 here. Do we have no? 1 here. Yeah. This column and that column. 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 1. Oh, oh, empty box, oh, oh. We need to switch those two digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Finish in 5 minutes. Great binary. And I like this one, yes. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today, a 4 stars tectonic it will be. Until then, bye bye for now.